Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas Ranjan Bal. Today we will discuss why theory of competition. Before going to start theory of competition, first we will discuss why we study theory of competition. The first point, it makes it makes it makes easy to understand. It makes easy to understand the algorithm or program. The second point, or we can say like it is the pictorial format of an algorithm of a program. It is the pictorial format of an algorithm or program. What is the meaning of this definition? It makes easy to understand the algorithm of a program, or it is the pictorial format of an algorithm or a program. Let us understand through the example. Okay, suppose one example, a divisible problem. Divisible problem means suppose a number is divisible, for example, like a number is divisible by 2 or not. A number is divisible by 2 or not. We can also represent this example or this problem through the algorithm or a program. We can also write the program. We can also write a program for this example. Write a program. Simply, we can represent this problem with the help of algorithm or a program. Int main int number if number divided by 2 equals to 0, return or print the number is divisible by 2, else print the number is not divisible by 2. Okay, we can also write a program for this example, means a number is divisible by 2 or not. A student may face some difficulties to understand this program, but we can also our theory of competition can also represent this program in a pictorial format. Okay, let's see. In a pictorial format like Q0 state, like this is my Q1 state. Zero 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Try to understand what is the meaning of this automata or theory of computation. What is the meaning of this diagram? This is one of the DFA diagram. Okay. Later we will discuss in the upcoming classes what is the meaning of DFA and like this. But try to understand what is the meaning of this. This is the pictorial format. This is the pictorial format of this algorithm or this program. What is the meaning of? There are two states in this following DFA diagram. There are two states, Q0 state and Q1 state. Q0 is the initial state and also the final state. If any number, suppose if any number reaches, if the number any number reaches to this Q0 state, means Q0 means final state, then this number is accepted. Means this number accepted means this number is divisible by 2. For example, 8, 4, 2. This is one example. This is the first example. How this DFA will scan, how this DFA diagram will scan this number and also confirms or also identifies this number is divisible by 2 or not. First, this is my initial state. Means initial state means Q0 will read. Q0 will read. This is my Q0. First read 8, 4, 2. This is my first step. Q0 because Q0 is my initial state. That's why Q0 read the first symbol of 842. Q0 reads 8. Q0 reads 8. Q0 reads 8. Q0 reads 8 and goes to Q2. Q0, sorry. Q0 reads 8 and goes to Q0. Goes to Q0. The second point, okay, Q0 already reads 8. Then Q0, the remaining strings are 4, 2. Q0 reads 4. The next one is Q0 reads 4. Q0 reads 4. Again goes to Q0. Goes to Q0. Okay. Then the third step is Q0 reads the remaining string means 2. Q0 reads 2. Again goes to Q0 reads 2. Goes to Q0 state. Okay. Then there is no alphabets in the given string. So this DFA diagram completes the input string or completes the input like or completes the number like 842. Q0 reads 842 and goes to Q0. Since Q0 is a final state. Why it is a final state? Because in this diagram, Q0 is my final state because there is 2 circles are here. There are 2 circles. But in Q1 is a non-final state because there is 1 circle. Q0 is the initial state because there is 1 arrow mark here. So Q0 is my final state. So finally this DFA identifies 842 is a 842. This number is divisible by 2. Suppose I'm just giving you one more example is here. 8, 5, 3, 5. Okay. Now I'll start similarly. Q0. This 5. Q0 reads 8. Q0 reads 8. Then goes to Q0 state. Then goes to Q0 state. Okay. The next step is next state is Q0. Q0 5, 3, 5. Q0 reads 5. Q0 reads 5. Goes to Q1. Goes to Q1. Okay. Q1. Next. Next. Which state? Q1 state. 3, 5. Q1 reads 3. Q1 reads 3. Goes to Q1 state. Then the next state is Q1. Q1 reads 5. Q1 reads 5. Again goes to Q1. Again goes to Q1. Okay. This is the end of the number or end of the string, we can say. But Q1 state is a non-final state. Q1 state is a non-final state. Since it is a non-final state, so the DFA rejects this string, means 8535, means this number is not divisible by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. That's why theory of computation needs, it is a easy representation of a program. It is an easy representation of a program, or it is a pictorial format of a program. Okay. In the next class, we'll discuss about some of the basic introductions of theory of computation. Okay. Thanks for watching.